Ever wondered how those stunning visuals and captivating content are brought to life? Let's dive into the world of Adobe Creative Cloud, a powerful suite of applications and services. This isn't just software. It's a comprehensive ecosystem designed to fuel your creative genius. Think of it as your one-stop shop for creating almost anything digitally. Adobe Creative Cloud is a subscription service, meaning you pay a monthly or annual fee for access to a collection of professional-grade applications. It's like having a whole studio at your fingertips. It houses industry-leading design tools like Photoshop for image editing, Illustrator for vector graphics, Premiere Pro for video editing, and many more. These apps cater to a wide range of creative endeavors, whether you're editing photos, designing logos, creating websites, animating projects, or even developing user experiences. Creative Cloud has the tools you need to fuel your projects. The capabilities are truly endless. Creative Cloud also offers additional services. You get things like cloud storage for your projects, allowing you to access your work from anywhere. You will get access to a massive library of fonts through Adobe Fonts, and collaboration features to streamline teamwork. How does this power creativity in business? Consider your marketing materials. With Creative Cloud, you can design captivating social media posts, edit impactful videos, and create professional websites, all of which help showcase your business in the most appealing way possible. With the power of these tools at your fingertips, the possibilities really are endless. So explore, experiment, and see how Adobe Creative Cloud can make your creative projects become reality. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it to spread the creative power. #CreativeCloud, #Adobe Suite.